Oh, it fell off. I'll keep it on there flat. Almost got it. It's almost done. It's almost there.
What are you doing, Haley? You're what? Fixing that? Cool.
Almost there.
Almost there. You keep going until you can't do it no more.
What are you putting back in there?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay, pull on that now. Hold with 2 hands now, so you can get it really tight.
Okay.
Look, hold this hand right here. That. There you go. Keep it flat still. Look at that. There you go. Pull, pull, pull. Do it again a little bit more. Oh. There you go. Now pull.
Ooh, put muscle into it, girl.
There you go.
That's a girl.
Now it's tight.